A major breaking story has just been released. With the next transfer window fast approaching, FC Barcelona's board is already gearing up for some significant changes in the squad. Several players who are no longer part of the club's long-term project are expected to be shown the exit door. In this video, I'll reveal 4 players who are reportedly on Barcelona's list of potential departures. Some of the names on this list are stirring a lot of debate among fans, as not everyone agrees with the idea of letting them go. So stay tuned, because I'll be naming them one by one, and at the end of this video, I want to hear from you. What do you think about these possible exits? Share your thoughts in the comments below. But before we dive into this hot topic, I want to take a second to shout out our amazing viewers from all around the world: Nigeria, India, Ghana, the United States, South Africa, the United Kingdom, Canada, Spain, and many more countries. Your support means the world to us, and we're so thankful to have you here with us in every single video. Also, we've noticed that a whopping 97% of people watching our videos are not subscribed to the channel yet. So, if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and leave a like. Help us reach our goal of 10,000 subscribers. Every click counts and keeps this community growing strong. Now, let's get into the main story of the day. Player number 1, Iñaki Peña. The first player reportedly on the chopping block is goalkeeper Iñaki Peña. He had a chance to prove himself this season when Marc-Andre ter Stegen was sidelined due to injury. But things took a turn when Polish goalkeeper Szczęsny renewed his contract with the club. With Szczęsny now secured, Barcelona's coaching staff has advised Peña to start looking for opportunities elsewhere, as he's unlikely to get regular minutes next season. Player number 2, Andreas Christensen. Next up, we have Andreas Christensen, the Danish centre-back. Unfortunately, Christensen has spent most of the season dealing with injuries, and because of that, he's lost his place in the starting 11. If a choice needs to be made between him and Eric Garcia, the incoming coach Hansi is expected to favor Eric Garcia to stay, meaning Christensen might be let go. Player number 3, Ansu Fati. Now, let's talk about a more controversial name, Ansu Fati. This isn't the first time Ansu's future at the club has been in doubt. Back in January, Barcelona placed him on the transfer list and even received offers from several teams. However, Ansu was reluctant to leave and rejected all offers. After getting a brief chance late in the match against Borussia Dortmund, it has now become clear that he still doesn't fit into the manager's plans. Ansu and his agent have started preparing for a move, and the player himself has acknowledged that his future lies away from Barcelona. He's determined to find a club where he can play more consistently. Player number 4, Pau Victor. Finally, there's Pau Victor, a young forward. With Barcelona actively searching for a new striker, Pau Victor is expected to struggle for minutes with the senior team. As a result, the club is considering sending him out on loan during the upcoming window to help him gain experience. Now that you know the 4 names, Iñaki Peña, Christensen, Ansu Fati, and Pau Victor, I want to hear from you. Do you agree with these decisions? Which of these players do you think deserves to stay at Barca? Drop your opinion in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.